Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another custom PC build. This one's going to be a little different from the first one, since the first one was all brand new parts off of Amazon. This one I actually got a good deal on the Facebook market. It's probably 20 minutes away, a little bit of a drive, but it's definitely worth it. I got a really good deal on this whole PC. I paid $100 for it. I just ordered a new case. It's white and black. This one's a little outdated, but the best part is it came with a ASRock B350 Pro. It came with a Ryzen 5 1600, 3 RGB fans, and a 650 watt power supply. I also picked up a GTX 1050 Ti. Right now it's in my PC. I wanted to test it out, make sure it works, but I did test everything on this, make sure it turns on and goes into BIOS, which it did. Now it's just time to take everything apart, since you see all that dust on it, all the fans, and get it all cleaned up. Get some new thermal paste on the CPU, and let's get to it. Alright, so we got everything out of the case. Power supply, motherboard, CPU cooler, RAM sticks, and of course RGB case fans, which, look at that, gotta get that cleaned up. Alright guys, so this part was a little tricky. It's really stuck on there, so what I did is just grab a little flathead and just kind of pry each corner out all the way around. Keep doing that until it just should come right off. And then you got these 4 screws on each corner, little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can take the fan off, clean that up. Alright, so here we're gonna apply the thermal paste. And you really just need something like really just the size of something like this right here in this corner. right in the middle. Just drop it like that. You don't want to go too crazy. And really, that's it. Because once you put the fan back on, it'll just spread it out once you start screwing it. Got my screwdriver. Like how we did on the last video, just kind of kitty corner it. Now just give it even pressure. One corner at a time, opposite ends, just to get it going. And there you have it. Alright, so here it is. It's the first startup. Got the power cord. HDMI right into your graphics card. Here, get your USB with Windows 10 on it. Alright, hope it works. Oh, wait. There it is. Nice. Let's get a closer view. Make sure it gets into Windows. Loading up. There it is. And that is it. Let's take a quick look. The glass off. Look at that. I probably looked a little dark because I still have the plastic on it, but working. Fans. Alright, and that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.